Hello dear customers, this is Jimmy from Seamark, and now I'm displaying the model of X6600BM you requested to display. And this is the appearance of this X-ray inspection machine, and I will going to introduce the structure and also the software. And check here. And from the operation desk here, you can check we are using a joystick to move the supporting platforms. And also we have the tilting, 60 degrees tilting adjustment of the detector and also the X-ray source. And also here the zoom in, zoom out of the detector and also the X-ray source. And this machine also equipped with a fingerprint password and also a automatic opening and closing door. After you put inside of the PCB board or the sample, we need to open the software. And so from the desktop, you can check the Seamark, the software, and click it, double click it. And here is the login interface. Yeah, we can choose like a manager, operation, or the engineer, and the password. And if this is the first time you are using this machine, you need to reset. So click yes. And then all the structures will move and to the original position. Yeah. And so here is the English interface you can check. And here is the on and off of the X-ray tube. And also here is the interlock, like we have a very strict and for the safety operation. So interlock of the door and also of the X-ray source. And here you can adjust the voltage and also the current. And here is the grayscale adjustment and overlay, like and the preset. Like if you are checking some position or defects, you can preset all those data and the parameters, and next time you just call those data to inspect. And here we have the voice inspection and also the measurement tools and also the image processing. I will display one by one later. So now, like after the reset, we need to use the navigator to check the rough position we are going to inspect. And here, like it's a BG chip, we just click here, and then the structure will move to that position, and we turn on the X-ray tube. So here is a image of the BG chip, and we can adjust the zoom in, zoom out. So it's moving to become clear and bigger, like this size, and also we can also adjust the detector. So here, like you can check some voids and bubbles inside of the solder joint, and we can also click the voltage and also current to adjust to make it more clear. Like so it's a changing of the image, and also we can adjust the grayscale here and to make it clearer. And then we can make it as a static image. Here you can create a circle to check the voice inside. So here, like the results, we can check the total bubble and also maximum bubble percentage. And here is the data you are setting according to the customer's requirements, like how big is NG or how small is okay. So here you can check, you can adjust all those data here. And also like we can check a bigger size. So here, like all those are the bubbles image, bubbles information here. And we can also like generate report locally, like in a PDF or XLS file, and we can browse and also like name it and save. So here is the local report you are going to show to your customers, like the operator and also the model, and also the navigation image, and also here showing the parameters and data you are using this machine. And this is the detection image to showing how many voice and also the ratio and percentage of this, and also whether it's OK or NG. So here is local reports. And here I'm going to introduce like the measurement tools and also the processing of image. And here on the interface, you can check here the image processing. After click, and you can check here like the image, image operates processing, like overlay and also contrast and also gamma contrast, sharpening, and after sharpening you can check very clear bonding wires inside and also the voice and also the contrast sharpening, and also you can slightly adjust all those data one by one. Here you can check, you can adjust all those data. So here is the image processing. So you mentioned that contrast, filtering, sharpening, all this we can do by this machine. And also like we can have the measurement bar, like we can measure the distance, the circles, and also angles, etc. So you can just like you are going to check the distance, and also like we can do the other tools. And here we also have a CNC program. Like if you have like 10 or 20 pieces of samples or chips to inspect, we can set a CNC automatic program. Like you can check one by one, and we will have our service engineer to provide online training to your engineer. So like you can check and use the CNC program very easily. Okay. So like it's very easy to use this machine to detect the defects inside of the PCB boards and also the solder joint. And actually there is no other spare parts or consumables you need to buy after using this machine. And this machine is using a sealed X-ray tube. That means maintenance free. So you do not need to change any cathodes or like filaments inside of the X-ray tube. So it's very easy, and so you have no other spare parts you need to buy when you are using this machine.